Welcome to Technia TV. I am Dr. Amit Kumar, Faculty Management Department, Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on factors affecting entrepreneurial development. Entrepreneurship is influenced by two distinct factors, economic factors and non-economic factors. Let's first discuss about economic factors. Capital. Capital is one of the most important factors of production for the establishment of an enterprise. Increase in capital investment in viable projects results in increase in profit, which help in accelerating the process of capital formation. Entrepreneurship activity too gets a boost with the easy availability of funds for investment. Availability of capital facilitates for the entrepreneur to bring together the land of one machine of another and raw material of yet another to combine them to produce goods. Capital is therefore regarded as lubricant to the process of production. Next economic factor is labor. Easy availability of the right type of workers also affect entrepreneurship. The quality rather than quantity of labor influences the emergence and growth of entrepreneurship. The problem of labor immobility can be solved by providing infrastructural facilities including efficient transportation. The quality rather than quantity of labor is another factor which influences the emergence of entrepreneurship. Most less developed countries are labor-rich nations, owing to a dense and even increasing population. But entrepreneurship is encouraged if there is a mobile and flexible labor force. And the potential advantages of low-cost labor are regulated by the deleterious effects of labor immobility. The considerations of economic and emotional security inhibit labor mobility. Entrepreneurs therefore often find it difficult to secure sufficient labor. Now let's discuss about another economic factor, that is raw material. The necessity of raw materials hardly needs any emphasis for establishing any industrial activity and its influence in the emergence of entrepreneurship. In the absence of raw material, neither any enterprise can be established nor can an entrepreneur be emerged. It is one of the basic ingredients required for production. Shortage of raw material can adversely affect entrepreneurial environment. Without adequate supply of raw materials, no industry can function properly and emergence of entrepreneurship too is adversely affected. In fact, the supply of raw material is not influenced by themselves but become influential depending upon the opportunity conditions. The more favorable these conditions are, the more likely is the raw material to have its influence of entrepreneurial emergence. Another economic factor which affects the entrepreneurial growth, that is market. The role and importance of market and marketing is very important for the growth of entrepreneurship. In modern competitive world, no entrepreneur can think of surviving in the absence of latest knowledge about market and various marketing techniques. The fact remains that the potential of the market constitutes the major determinant of probable rewards from entrepreneurial function. Frankly speaking, if the proof of pudding lies in eating, the proof of all production lies in consumption, that is marketing. The size and composition of market both influence entrepreneurship in their own ways. Practically, monopoly in a particular product in a market becomes more influential for entrepreneurship than a competitive market. However, the disadvantage of competitive market can be cancelled to some extent by improvement in the transportation system, facilitating the movement of raw material and finished goods, and increasing the demand of producer goods. Infrastructure. Expansion of entrepreneurship presupposes properly developed communication and transportation facilities. It not only helps to enlarge the market but expand the horizons of business too. Take for instance the establishment of post and telegraph system and construction of roads and highways in India. It helped considerable entrepreneurial activities which took place in the 1850s. Now let's discuss about some non-economic factors. Social factors. Social factors can go a long way in encouraging entrepreneurship. The social setting in which the people grow shapes their basic belief, value and norms. These are as follows. Caste factor. There are certain cultural practices and values in every society which influence the actions of individuals. These practices and values have evolved over hundreds of years. For instance, consider the caste system among the Hindus in India. It has divided the population on the basis of caste or communities. Some castes are traditionally prosperous as entrepreneurs like Vaishya, Parsis, Marwari, Gujarati, etc. to name a few. Another non-economic factor is family background. This factor includes size of family, type of family, and economic status of a family. In a study by Hadi Mani, it has been revealed that Zamindar family helped to gain access to political power and exhibit higher level of entrepreneurship. Background of a family in manufacturing provided a source of industrial entrepreneurship. Occupational and social status of the family influenced mobility. There are certain circumstances where very few people would have to be venturesome. For example, in a society where the joint family system is in vogue, those members of joint family who gain wealth by their hard work denied the opportunity to enjoy the fruits of their labor because they have to share their wealth with the other members of the family. Education. Education enables one to understand the outside world and equips him with the basic knowledge and skills to deal with day-to-day problems. In any society, the system of education has a significant role to play in inculcating entrepreneurial values. It's educational level of the entrepreneurs which enhances their ability to adopt innovations and make them flexible for change. It helps the entrepreneur in developing strategic policies and motivates them for inclusive growth of the society. Now I hope that you must have understood the basic concepts of this topic. For watching more videos like this, please subscribe to Technia TV. Thank you.